Everyone, welcome to Organic Creations. I hope you all are doing fine today. So today we are going to be making a Korean based cream with Snail Mucin. It's a lot in these days, and these creams are really very effective for overall treating all skin related problems, to give you a very healthy glow on the skin, to give a very nice shine to your skin. So we are quickly going to be making this cream today. The basic cream formulation will be shared in the description box for beginners who would like to try to make creams, but these more advanced formulations we cover them during our workshops. So for those who would be interested in learning these, can contact me on the WhatsApp number that's given in the description box. So we'll quickly start with the making of the cream. Now here I have both my phases. This is my oil phase. In my oil phase I have taken my blend of oils, waxes, emulsifiers, my thickeners. Everything has been weighed out in this oil phase of mine. And here I have my water phase ingredients. Now in my water phase I have my water, my glycerin, and I have taken a little bit of hyaluronic acid. If you all can see these pieces, these gel like pieces, these are all hyaluronic acid which is getting gelled. And as soon as this completely gels, we will heat both these phases and then we will make our cream. Okay, so we've gone ahead and heated both the phases, and now I'm going to add my water phase into my oil phase, and we will go ahead and give it a good blend. Okay, so I've gone ahead and blended both the phases, and after around 10 minutes our solution has also thickened here into a nice cream consistency, and it is completely cooled down as well. So now we'll quickly go ahead and add our cool down phase ingredients. So here I have gone ahead and weighed out my extracts. You can add any extracts of your choice, whichever you wish to. And we'll go ahead and give this a mix. Okay, so I've gone ahead and added the extracts and mixed it, and now I'm going to add our main ingredient, which is our Snail Mucin. So I've gone ahead and added the Snail Mucin here, and I'm just going ahead and mixing this well. And this is our main active ingredient for this cream that we are making. And finally I will go ahead and add my preservative here. I have already weighed down the preservative, so I'm adding that, and we will give it a mix. Okay, so after mixing all the ingredients, we have our cream ready here. This is a very lightweight moisturizing cream, and if you see the texture on application, it is absolutely lightweight and very easily absorbing into the skin. It doesn't leave any greasiness or heaviness or stickiness on the skin. Very lightweight. And friends, if you do like my videos, if you like what I share with you all, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much everyone.